This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 11th February 2025 at English Base Camp. Center number is EGS B6007. The candidate is Iman Sheikh and the candidate number is 230004. The examiner is Mohammad Ashikuzzaman. Examiner number is 4333816. Good morning, my name is Mohammad Ashikuzzaman. Can you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Mohammad Iman Sheikh. You can go by Iman.
Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, please. Here is it.
Thank you. Well, in this first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Where are you from?
I'm from 𝗖𝗹𝘀, which is a district of Bangladesh. It is located in the southern part of Bangladesh. It's a very
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I love my hometown because I born and grow there, and it's a really nice place to live.
Do you work or study?
Currently, I'm studying at university. I'm doing my bachelor in management.
How do you manage stress?
I manage my stress by exercising, going somewhere to visit new places, or playing some games.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a pet. It's a cat. His name is Max. He is very kind and friendly.
Do you have any hobby?
I have a hobby. I love traveling.
Where have you traveled recently?
Recently, I traveled Bandarbon. The mountains were so beautiful, and the food was amazing, and the people there were nice too.
What country would you like to visit?
I like to visit Pakistan. I fascinated by their culture and food.
Do you prefer travel by car or train?
I prefer travel by train because it's more comfortable and affordable for me, and it also allows me to enjoy the sceneries.
What's your favorite city?
My favorite city is Paris. I love the architectures, art.
Okay. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking because it's give the way to relax and by creative in the kitchen room.
So what's your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish is to cook is pasta because it's quick to make and everyone loves it.
Do you prefer sweet food or savory food?
I prefer savory food because I love spices. That's the end of.
Thank you very much. That's the end of your speaking test.